Here's an example of trying to recover a battery that when you put it on its normal charger it won't charge. I've pulled apart this Acer Iconia A510 and had to hack in to find the tabs. It's a fair bit of peeling and mucking around to get the battery pack open so I can get to the tops of the two cells. And I'm on nickel metal hydride, and you can see as the battery voltage comes up, when it gets to 3.2 I'll be able to flip over to the lithium charging regime and hopefully recover this and put it all back together, and then it will charge from its normal charger because it's in the right voltage zone. So I managed to bring all the PlayStation controllers back online and they're happy to charge normally. I had to hack in there because otherwise I'm trying to charge it through this battery management circuit board that's on the top here. There's even a thermocouple on each end that monitors the temperature of the battery. So I'll just keep it going here until we're up in the zone and flip to lithium. I might pause so you don't have to watch all that. So checking the tab on the other side shows that it's also being held at the same voltage, so these two are commoned together. If we look here, we've got 2.8 and it's reading the same voltage on the charger. As soon as I get to about 3.2 I'll be happy to flip over to lithium. It's at 3 volts now. I'll just see if it'll let me flip over. There we go. It's now charging it as a lithium battery. And I want to watch this number here will correspond to the watt hours, so I should be able to put, somewhere around about 70% of this 9800 number to be anywhere useful. Alright, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.